And it goes like this.
I saw her sitting in the rain, raindrops falling on her. She didn't seem to care. She sat there and smiled at me. And I knew she could make me happy. Flowers in her hair, flowers everywhere. Oh, I don't know just why she simply caught my eye. She seemed so sweet and kind. She crept into my mind. Had to say hello. She smiled up at me. She took my hand. We walked through the park alone. And I knew she had made me happy. Flowers in her hair. Suddenly the sun broke through. I looked around, she was gone. And all I had left was one little flower in my hand. And I knew she had made me happy. Flowers in her hair, flowers everywhere. Was she reality or just a dream to me?